What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. Today I'm going to do things a little bit different. I'm going to review a phone card. Yeah, that's right. Mint Mobile. If you never heard of it, don't worry, you're not alone. I never heard of this company until like a month ago. It's apparently owned by Ryan Reynolds. Yes, that's right, Mr. Deadpool himself. So he actually bought the company and now he owns it. So I heard about the news like last month, saw it online, and I went to their website and took a look at it, and their plans were really cheap. So their plan starts at $15 per month for 3 GB. Now they have the initial trial period, so after that, the price I think it goes up to $20 per month for the 3 gig. But if you purchase the whole year, they're still running at $15 per month, and that's what I ended up doing. So I ordered the 12-month 3 GB plan, which per month is 3 GB. Now you might think that 3 GB is very minimal. Yeah, sure. In the normal situation, it is. 3 GB, you're gonna run out pretty quick. But the thing is, we've been staying put at home, so a lot of time we're just using the Wi-Fi at home. We don't even go out all that much. So 3 GB is more sufficient enough. Before you jump into saying like, oh, this prepaid plan is not as good as those T-Mobile or Verizon, Sprint, or AT&T, that could be true because I know some of them out there are really horrible in terms of service and whatnot. But for the past few years, we actually been using this thing called Simple Mobile. It's a prepaid card that you can purchase from Kroger or Target. Now, we've been using it for a few years now, and we have no problem with it. Well, granted, this is powered by T-Mobile. And not only that, we get points for our Kroger whenever we purchase those cards as well. So yeah, it's really good if you want to save on fuel points. But anyway, so I ordered this. It came in within 4 days through FedEx. And I opened up the package. In it, there's a slip. It tells me like what I actually ordered, a SIM kit, and also Share the Love SIM kit. So I suppose it's this too. So we have here Mint Mobile Share the Love Kit. I think this is kind of like a referral program. You can, oh, it says free 7 days trial. So let me open it and see what's inside. So 3 easy steps: download the Mint mobile app and try and buy it. So this is what it looks like inside for the referral cards. So I guess if I like it, I'll just give it to my wife on this, and she can try it for 7 days on her phone as well. So anyway, so this is something that's easily be able to share with others to kind of have them to try it out as well. So the plan starts at $15 per month, included 3 gig, 8 gig, or 12 gigs, 4G LTE, nationwide coverage, unlimited talk and text. You can still have your old number with this service as well, so you won't lose your number. So the 7 days free trial includes 250 megabyte of 4G LTE, 250 minutes of talk time, 250 texts, and a fresh new number. So the trial is actually give you a new number. But anyway, so this SIM is actually has the mini, micro, and nano chip, and so it's already pre-cut. You just have to pop them open, and they also include this handy little thing to remove the card from your cell phone. I might need this in a little bit, but that's that from the trial plan. And this is the actual 3 GB of 12-month of service. It's this one right here. Let me open it up. So it says before you activate, follow along our helpful videos. So they do have videos about how to get this thing started. So ready to karate chop your wireless bill, yeah. So I mean, it's really, really cheap. For my 12 months I order is total is $180 plus tax. So if you, I'm not quite sure what kind of tax you will have for your local cell phone, but if you live in Texas, you're looking at 180 plus like fees and tax that I end up paying is come up to be $210. $210 for 12 months. I think that's really, really cheap. Um, Anyway, so this is what the SIM card is going to look like. Again, it has mini, micro, and nano size. So you just pop open whichever size is that you need, and you should be good to go. So next stop is just punch the SIM. Make sure to break it apart. My phone used the nano size, so I'll be using the smallest that they have. Oh, it's really easy to pop it open. So here it is. And then insert your SIM and activate your SIM. Yeah, it seems very simple and straightforward, and it lets me to use my old number. So let me go put it on my phone and try it out. Okay, let's insert the SIM card with the SIM card ejector pin that's provided. Let's find where your SIM card is located. In my case, it's on top, so I need to pop it open. And put in the new SIM. It can only go in one way, so you don't have to worry about insert wrong. So just put in there. Now this part is done. I just had to go transfer my current number to the new account, and that should do it. They do have a video on how to do that on their website. I will link it down below as well, so you can go check it out. So the last step is just to activate the SIM card. They provided with a link called mintmobile.com/activate. So as you can see here, this is what the site will look like. They also included with videos on how to do some of the stuff like activating your device via port in. If you want to see how you can retain your old number, this is the video you want to watch. If you will want to get a new number, this will be the video that you want to watch. And also here, how to insert your SIM, just like how I did it. This will be the video you want to watch. So they have 3 videos that's very useful. Anyway, so let's get to the activation page. And as you can see here, they have pictures to show you where you can locate your activation code. It will be a 11-digit code that you have to punch in. Okay, so on this page, you just need to hit your zip code and to hit either transfer existing number or get a new number. So in my case, I want to transfer an existing number. So after I punch in the zip code and then I hit the transfer existing number. Now on this page, this is very important. So if you are unsure of what to punch in, then open up your current mobile account with whoever that you have. Say if you have AT&T, open up your AT&T account and get the information from there, okay? So this part is very important. Now you have to enter into your phone number, obviously, the number that you want to transfer into this new account, and then your account number, which is your current mobile account number. Whichever mobile service that you have, that account number you need to punch in, and the PIN. Now, initially I was kind of confused. What do you mean by PIN? I thought it was the PIN for my cell phone. No, it's the PIN for your cell phone carrier. Okay, so I found that on my Simple Mobile account, they do have one that's listed as the PIN number. So get that number and then punch in the zip code and then hit transfer. Now, I have done this. So after I hit transfer, it literally took minutes, okay, not even that long, for me to get a new text message from Mint Mobile saying that the phone number has been transferred over. So the process is very quick and seamless. So don't be too alarmed that it's going to be complicated, which is not, by all means. This is very simple to do. So yeah, this is how you activate your new SIM card. All right, guys, so that was all the steps that you need to in order to insert the SIM card and activate the new SIM card. One thing I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video was I used Rakuten to get the new Mint Mobile. That Rakuten is a lifesaver. It gives so much discount on a lot of stuff. I'll put a video that I have done before up in the top, and also a link in the description down below so you can go check it out. So Rakuten give additional $10 off when I purchase the package. So, oh my goodness, the whole thing is really cheap if you consider the cost. It cost me a little bit over 210. That's with the plan and the tax and whatnot. Minus $10 from Rakuten, so $200 for an entire year of cell phone service. I think it's really good deal. Anyway, so I'm gonna go test it out. So in the near future, I will come out with another video in regard how my test result has been. So anyway, stay tuned. Until then, don't forget to like, share, and sub. Until next time, bye.